Hi everyone. Hope you're all doing well. This is your favorite officer, and I brought you a very important news. Very important news that nobody can miss this news, right? Nobody should miss this news, right? I can say because you can attend the paid plus courses for free for 7 days. Okay, what you heard is absolutely true. You can get all the paid classes for 7 days. You can attend all the paid plus classes for free in for 7 days. You can attend, right? If you are enrolling between May 1st to May 3rd, right? You can find the enrollment link in the description. Click on the link, enter your phone number, register, verify your phone number with OTP, and after that select your goal, right? Which examination you are preparing for, right? And after that you download the app, and you log in with your mobile number, and you start attending the classes, right? Thank you. Let's crack it.